Aloha mai kākou. I'm Kumumailena Ehu, co-founder and lead educator at Kahale Hoaka, the online learning school of Hawaiian knowledge centered out of Molokai, my home. I created the Keiki Program for ohana and keiki and beginning learners of all ages that want to embrace Olelo Hawai'i into their lives. I made it fun, engaging, full of oli or chants, hula, mele, song, olelo no eau, ancient proverbs that we can bring into our modern day lives, and of course, Olelo Hawai'i, our native tongue of Hawai'i. I made it simple and self-paced so you can begin when you want, end when you want. You can watch lessons over on repeat while you're making tea in the morning or having your breakfast, which I highly encourage. And just move at your own comfortable pace. We have printable assignment sheets, printable homework sheets if you want to take it even deeper. We have colorable Olelo no Eau pages that you can put around the house to create an immersive environment. And we have so many other supplemental resources that we offer in the Keiki program. It really is the best investment you could make for your family, your home, even yourself. Check out our Keiki program at Kahale Hoaka. Visit kahalehoaka.com and see all of our different offerings that can help enrich your lives with the teachings of our kupuna. Malama pono, ahui ho.